Microsoft Agent Mode is now available in Copilot. I've already opened up my M365 Copilot from the taskbar. This screen should look familiar to you. I have a license, so I do see work and web at the top. If you look over to the far left, we've had the researcher agent for a long time. We've had the analyst agent for a long time, but now over to the far left, you'll see the Word agent is sitting there for me. PowerPoint is coming soon. In case you're wondering what the agents will do, they create great documents from scratch, and they'll also clean up and fix documents. This video is going to be about cleaning up a document. Let me go show you the original Word document first. I kept this short just for illustration purposes. I have a 3-page Word document, and if you notice, I'm on a heading 2 right now at the very beginning. Your employment classification. This heading 2 is a font size of 14, and it is underlined. If I start scrolling through this document, a lot of the heading 2s are consistent with the 14. That working at XYZ is a heading 1. But here's the issue right here. Hours, schedules, and overtime is a heading 2, but it's not underlined. So another way to see this is to go to View in Draft Mode, and then you can sit here and look at your heading 1s and heading 2s, and you can see there's no consistency with my heading 2s. So what is it I want to do with this? I want my heading 2s to all be consistent with a font of 18. I want the underline removed, and I would like them to be in a blue font color in this example. So I'm going to go close this document, pop back into agent mode in Word or Word agent mode. Right here, you'll describe what you want to do. To save time, I've already put in my prompt and I've already clicked on the plus sign and uploaded that file. So let me show you what I did. Look up at the top. There's the Word document that was attached. That was the same file you're just looking at. And here is my prompt right below it for the attached file. Please make all heading 2s a font of 18, blue font and not underlined. And I even told it I want them to be consistent. Word went all the way through its reasoning, the Word agent. Then it told me it successfully completed everything, and it gave me a brand new Word document and immediately saved it into my OneDrive also. So now here is the end result of that Word document. It even added a title up at the top here, but if I click on your employment classifications, font size is 18 and there is no underline. Just a quick scroll through here. It's a really short document. Working at XYZ was a heading 1 and it stayed a heading 1, and right there. There's my hours, schedule, and overtime, attendance, and timeliness. Everything is great right here. I'm going to say that was a successful test right there. So there is Word agent mode that's coming out. Now, I'm going to pop back over there. You're saying, Chris, how did you get this? I had to go to all agents over to the far left. Here is Word. PowerPoint, I have it now. You may not see this one yet. Here's Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. I haven't played with PowerPoint yet. That's coming up in another video. Also, agent mode will create great Word documents from scratch. That is going to be covered in my next video. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.